Hey everybody, it's Vince with Rooted Lawn Co. Hope your day is going good wherever you are. If you've been following my channel for a while now, you probably have seen that I have had excavation work for a new sewer line. I put in in-ground irrigation, which I'll link the video above or below. I brought in topsoil to level out the ruts, which leads you then to needing to plant seed. So this video is how I will take bare dirt and seed over top of it. The seed that I used was just a general big box store Kentucky bluegrass, and perennial ryegrass. The starter fertilizer that I used for it was a biotone starter fertilizer with mycorrhiza in it. That helps get the roots really going good. And then what I did afterwards was I spread some peat moss over top of it. So this video I'll show you how I did it, and then at the end I will talk about if you are just planning to do an overseed, some of the steps that you might want to do to ensure that you are getting a good seed to soil contact, and that the money that you're spending on the seed is worth it, and that you have a good product and a good result in the end. I got Biotone Starter Plus, and what this is a 433 with mycorrhiza in it. Alright, this is the seed that I have left over from when I did my lawn renovation. So it's the Fancy Turf mixture. It's got some perennial rye, it's got some Wild Horse Kentucky Blue, some Barren Kentucky Blue, Appalachian Kentucky Blue. Does have a little bit of weed seed in there, but no other crop. If I would have known before, probably wouldn't have gotten this stuff for my whole lawn, but it's what I have left over, so that's what I'm going to use. So as you can see, I used a hand spreader with my seed and my fertilizer. Now when I water this, what I'm making sure is that the seed, that the peat moss is staying moist. You don't want to soak it so much that it'll run away, and you also don't want to not water it enough. The seed needs to grow. Even if you didn't use a starter fertilizer, watering it, water. You must water your seed. Just keep it moist for the first couple days, and then you can start backing off. Especially when you start seeing germination, you can start backing off on the watering. If you don't have an in-ground irrigation system, stay tuned. I'm going to be posting a video shortly on how to do an above-ground irrigation system for pretty cheap, using commercial sprinkler heads. One other thing that I said I would talk to you about is the overseeding. So if I were just to take this lawn here and do an overseed, a couple steps I would do: I would scalp it first. So that means I'm taking my mower and I'm bringing it down to like an inch. If your mower goes that low, go about an inch, or as low as the mower can let you go. I'll take a dethatcher. Sunjo has a really good dethatcher that you'll see in some of my upcoming videos. I'll link it below. Run to the dethatcher over it, get all that old grass material out of there. That ensures that you're getting that seed down to the soil bed, all right? But before you seed, you're gonna wanna run an aerator over it. Now you can rent one of these. They're not expensive. It's usually like 30, 40, 50 bucks for the day. Run an aerator over it. That's putting a hole in the ground. It's taking a plug of the ground probably 2-3 inches out. That way, when you overseed, hopefully the seed will land in one of those holes. It'll help ensure that the seed is getting into the soil. So those couple steps: scout, dethatch, aerate, and then overseed. And then you can hit it with a starter fertilizer, and hopefully you have some good success. And don't forget to water. So thank you so much for tuning into another episode here on my channel. I appreciate you guys so much. If you would, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. I'd love to know what you thought of this video. If you have any plans of overseeding or any renovation work, comment below and let me know. Thanks guys, have a good day.